Hello everyone, welcome to yet another edition of Tarmac Talking. This is Anand Krishnan here, and we have a very inspiring guest today in our studios. But before that, I hope all of you are stepping out of your house only if there is a necessity, and all of you are also wearing this mask. I will have to take this mask out because otherwise it will be difficult to talk. So I'll remove it for the time being. So we have Flight Lieutenant Aditya Rajgupta. He is a retired air warrior. A very, very interesting story. It's also interesting because the kind of work he is doing during this period as a COVID warrior. So this episode gets you a very, very special story of Aditya. And before I introduce him to all of you, I also want to thank a couple of people who were responsible for me doing this story. First and foremost, my friend, she is in Pune, Aditi Padwardhan. She's a student. She is studying in Pune and she's from Nagpur. So Aditi was the person who sent me this link of this story, and of course another air warrior, former air warrior Nitin Velde, and he is also a man who prompted me to do this, and the most important man is the Rajya Sabha MP Rajiv Chandrasekhar, who put out a tweet that contained the story of this air warrior Flight Lieutenant Aditya. So because of all these people, I got into chasing this story. Aditya served the Indian Air Force for close to 7 years, I think from 2007 to 2014. He had a very active flying career for close to three and a half years. Post that, he was, medically he was down after an incident, and then finally he had to come out of Air Force in 2014. He was a MiG pilot, and we will hear from him what all things he did while he was in Air Force and what happened. Today, this program is also coming to you with an appeal that Flight Lieutenant Aditya needs help from all like-minded Indians, because the COVID period has put a lot of us into some kind of a state of confusion, some kind of stress to all the people, but in his case it is just little more beyond that. And remember, Aditya has got some kind of medical issues also even now, beyond his waist. There are issues. It's not completely perfect. I wouldn't say complete paralysis, but there are issues. He walks, but there are issues. Again, we will listen to him. So this is a program that comes to you with a purpose to, so that once you listen to the story, maybe you can decide what you want to do. Let's now cut across to the hero. All right. Hello, Aditya. Very proud of you, and thank you for taking all the pains to come to Rameshwaram, which is the office of Inspired Indian Foundation. Maybe you can remove the mask now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You look fit. You're ready to, after this interview, you can even get onto the cockpit and fly.
Yeah. I wish so.
Yeah. All
yes,
right.
Sir.
Yeah, I'm. But you are doing an amazing job, Aditya. So let's now first of all take you to your Air Force career. So you're a Bangalore boy, right?
Yes, sir.
But I was reading a little bit about you, but there is some Varanasi link. So let's go back to Varanasi. What is the Varanasi link?
So my grandfather came from Varanasi to Bangalore in the year 1956.
Okay.
So my grandfather's entire family has been here throughout.
Okay.
So my father, myself, my son, we're all born in Bangalore, sir.
Okay. So you all are now a Pakka Kannadiga.
Yes, sir.
So you speak Kannada?
I speak Kannada, sir.
You speak Kannada. So please tell us, so this Bangalore boy, how did he end up in Air Force?
So I was a very naughty kid. So to sort me out, my father sent me to military school, Bangalore.
Okay.
So that was the best decision of his life, and I thank him because I feel that's the best decision for me that has happened to me. I got the motivation and the direction to join the Indian Air Force. I'm a classmate of Major Akshay Girish. He was martyred in a terrorist attack in 2016. Since our childhood, we used to look up to his father, Wing Commander Girish Kumar.
All right.
And whenever someone asked us what you want to be, we always told them we want to be Akshay's dad.
Okay.
So, always speaking to him, his mother, Mrs. Meghna Girish, she always inspired us. She told us her journey, how their lives had been, and we always in our mind wanted to live that life.
All right. So I have Meghna madam, and we both follow each other on Twitter. I haven't met her, but I know that she's a very inspiring lady.
Yes.
And yeah, Major Akshay has a great story. So Major Akshay and both of you buddies, and so you programmed your life towards military, isn't it? Your career.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So military school ke baad then?
From military school, sir, we wrote our exam for our UPSC. Akshay and I, we were sitting in front of behind each other in the test. We passed our UPSC examination, and then we went on to the same SSB at Mysore.
All right. So you know, a lot of people watching this program, a lot of people also want to listen little bit of all this in Hindi as well, so that you know the people who follow Tarmac. तो फिर मैसूर में तो क्या हुआ वो सिलेक्शन में क्या?
मैसूर से पहले वी डिडंट नो व्हाट एसएसबी वाज एंड हाउ वहाँ पे टेस्ट क्या होंगे, कैसे होंगे, एंड हमें कैसे बिहेव करना है. सो मेघना आंटी ट्रेन्ड अस. शी टोल्ड अस व्हाट आर द टेस्ट दैट द एसएसबी इज गोइंग टू and she told us how to prepare for it.
All right.
So Akshay and I we prepared for the exam for the SSB, and we went to our SSB. It's a 5-day interview. पूरी SSB में बाकी सबको there were 110 candidates who had come for selection.
मैसूर में. तो मेघना मैडम इज योर मेंटर. उन्हें आपका मेंटर आप लोगों का?
She is more than a mentor, sir. She's a mother. She has groomed her. She has never looked at any of us. The military school boys are called Georgians. So she has not looked at any of our classmates, all the Georgians, as other students or other Akshay's friends.
All right.
We've all been her son. So that is the inspiration that we have from her.
तो SSB clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Then straight away to?
Yes, sir. Then we had our medicals where Major Akshay Girish had a power in his eye which he was unaware of. So he joined the army because he's third generation in the defense.
All right.
And his grandfather commanded the Garhwal Rifles.
Okay.
So we joined NDA together, and we were in the same squadron.
Okay. Which squadron was it?
We were in Echo.
Echo squadron.
We are from the 111th course.
Okay, 111th course. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then, of course, you passed out from NDA which year?
In 2006 December.
December. उसके बाद straight away to AFA in Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
All right. So started flying the basic, the trainers and all that.
Yes,
and then finally you straight away went to the MiGs.
Yes, sir. So I'm from an absolute civilian family where in my bloodline they say there is no one in any kind of job, let alone forge. So the reason I wanted to join Air Force was to become Akshay's dad.
All right.
And I was hell-bent on flying Jaguars.
Okay.
And I only wanted to be a fighter pilot.
Okay.
So I had told my instructor at AFA also that if I'm not doing fighters, I'll leave. I'll run away from here.
Okay.
So I was very inspired. I was good in flying, and finally, when the results were announced, when the traffication was happening and the announcement for helicopters, fighters, and transport aircraft, my name was announced in the fighter aircraft. That day, I was ready to die. I told myself that I have achieved what my entire life's aim. And we went on to flying fighter trainers, and later on I was sent to fly MiG-21s in 101 Squadron in Jodhpur. So that's where my journey on fighters began.
Very interesting, like a lot of people, now there's a lot of awareness, at AFA, this trifurcation happens.
Yes, sir.
कुछ लोग जाता है on the fighter stream, कुछ
Yes.
लोग transport, and finally into the helicopter stream. So हम लोगों को can we give our interest, this is what we want, or तो उसको कैसे होता है?
So the interests are asked. We have to give our choices, but the choices are generally not met because it depends on the aptitude, your flying ability, and a lot of other criteria.
Jodhpur
Yes.
and the MiGs,
Yes.
the mighty MiGs.
Yes.
So what was the young Aditya's first reaction when you sat into the cockpit for the first time?
So there एक हिंदी में गाना है, तुम जो मिल गए हो ये जहाँ मिल गया.
All right.
So when I flew the MiG-21 for the first time, so somebody asked me this question, sir, how do you feel? So the answer that I gave them was, some people live their entire life without knowing what thrill is, what following passion is, and I live more in those 30 minutes of my sortie than a lot of people who live their whole lives. That was the feeling. Being in that aircraft, raw power under your seat, and the complete control of the aircraft in your hand. It is something which I explained by a simile, that only Neil Armstrong knows what it feels to stand. He can express, probably take you to 99% of his experience, but he knows what it is to be standing on the moon and looking down on Earth.
Amazing. So did you also get to fly the Jaguars later?
No, sir. Unfortunately, I had a flying incident.
Okay.
In the MiG-21s during the range sorties over Pokhran. We were dropping bombs, so I pulled out with excessive G's, and because of which I sustained a spinal injury. I lost my lower body after that. I was recovered after the surgery. Quite a lot of sensation had come back, but it just started getting worse with time, and because of which I decided to leave the Air Force and I was medically boarded out.
तो शायद बहुत लोगों को कुछ पता नहीं होगा ये कैसे होता है. तो एक्चुअली क्या हुआ? आप एक्स्ट्रा जी पुल किया गलती से, क्या हुआ था?
तो रेंज में क्या होता है सर, व्हेन यू आर ड्रॉपिंग अ बॉम्ब, आप जब बॉम्ब ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं, सो आपको हवा में एक पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट पे, टाइम पे, एक स्पीड पे,
ओके,
एक हाइट पे होना होता है, और देन उसके बाद ही आप बॉम्ब ड्रॉप करते हैं.
ओके.
अगर आपने यू आर नॉट देयर ऑन दैट एट दैट मोमेंट in time at that particular point in air at that with a particular set of parameters, so you will not drop the bomb at the correct target.
तो क्या मिस्टेक हुआ, in the sense क्या गलती हुआ?
सर एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ ब्रैगिंग आई वुड से कि मैं एक अच्छा पायलट था, और एक फाइटर पायलट की पहचान तभी होती है जब आप अपने रेंज की आपके स्कोर्स अच्छे होते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर ट्रेनिंग फॉर दैट वन डे.
ओके.
तो आई वॉज गेटिंग वेरी गुड स्कोर्स, and to maintain that is a lot of pressure.
Okay.
So we are supposed to drop bombs at 300 meters,
okay,
and then pull out with 5 Gs.
Okay.
Because you're if that fraction of a second, you need another second to get your aim accurately. So I was pulling out slightly lower than 300 meters. To pull out of the debris hemisphere after the bomb is dropped, you have to I was pulling out very aggressively. With pulling out with more than 7, 8, 9 Gs. So constantly this happened in a couple of sorties, जिसकी वजह से मेरी spinal cord में एक injury हो गई.
Very very unfortunate, but उसके बाद कुछ कोशिश हुआ कि to get back to flying, the doctor said, I'm sure you would have come to IIM Bangalore, सब किया होगा, लेकिन it was not possible at all.
Sir, spinal injury is something that even allopathy doesn't have the right answer.
Okay.
So I tried a lot with allopathy with the doctors in the command hospital, and simultaneously with the when you narrate your incident to somebody or someone comes to know, so everyone knows somebody who has been cured.
Okay.
So I did every treatment known to mankind. I tried my hands on allopathy, homeopathy, Ayurveda, massages. I went to Kerala for a treatment at the Kottakkal Ayursala.
Okay.
But unfortunately it was not working.
All right. So ठीक है. So Air Force के फिर बाहर आ गए. You came out of Air Force.
Yes sir.
And then आपका you had to do something to survive.
Yes sir.
Family है.
Yes sir.
तो बीच में फैमिली के बारे में जब बोलते हैं ना, एक इंसिडेंट आपका फ्रेंड्स लोग मुझे बोला है, आपका एंगेजमेंट,
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट, एंगेजमेंट राइट,
Yes,
आपने एक एंटायर थिएटर
Yes, sir.
हायर किया
Yes, sir.
और आपका अच्छा वुड बी आपका वाइफ,
Sir.
तो उसको पता भी नहीं था क्या होने वाला है,
Yes, sir.
तो ये थिएटर के अंदर आप प्रपोज किए बहुत बढ़िया फिल्म स्टाइल में,
Yes, sir.
उसके बारे में बताओ.
So I got engaged, sir. And during our courtship, my then fiance, now wife, told me that she always wanted to be proposed. It was a dream to be proposed.
क्या नाम है उसका?
My wife's name is Soumita.
ओके ओके.
So Soumita, I latched on to what she had said, and I called my sister up. I said I have to propose to her. So what can we do? How can we do it? So after a lot of brainstorming, she said let's book a theater,
एंटायर थिएटर.
entire theater. Sir.
हमने कभी सुना ही नहीं है किसी ने पूरा थिएटर एक किसी को प्रपोज करने के लिए.
So it goes with the attitude of a fighter pilot that you need to make it large.
You need to make it large. You need to be different,
Yes, sir.
and you need to be daring.
Yes, sir. So we booked a theater in Bangalore. It was Fame Lido Mall,
Okay.
Audi number 4, and one of my classmates from school, he made a video of us, and I booked the entire theater. My sister invited all her friends, family, relatives, all of my friends, family, relatives into the theater. We came late inside, so it was all dark and the movie had begun.
सब प्लान था.
Yes, सब planned था. And अंदर आने के बाद we had cancelled the interval. After the movie was over, just before the movie was about to get over, my friend from behind me, he signaled me that I have to leave the theater. So I went outside and I told her, कुछ भी हो जाए बाहर मत जाना, just wait for me here. And once the movie got over, a trailer started. And the movie was about me going for a sortie, coming back, and then I come back to my room in the mess, and I'm flying back from Jodhpur to Bangalore, and I'm wearing the same clothes in that film which I'm wearing in the theater. And I enter the theater, and as I enter the theater on the screen, I enter the theater here,
Okay.
and I go down my knees and propose to her.
Amazing. So great. And कौन सा फिल्म था? And what was the film you guys were watching?
Very coincidentally, it was जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगा दोबारा. Interesting. So Aditya, these are all very unforgettable moments in
Yes,
your
sir.
life. I think you have got a lot of unforgettable moments.
Yes, sir.
And सबका लाइफ में ऐसे होता है, memorable moments. कुछ चीज़ें होगा, little bit painful. तो फिर आप business में next focus target
Yes, sir.
is business.
Yes, sir.
So Pinball,
Yes, sir.
that is your company's name, right?
Yes, sir. That is the brand Pinball, sir, and that is my company's name also, Pinball Clothing House Private Limited. After leaving Forge, I was wondering what to do.
Okay.
My father had an existing business, but I was not too keen in joining him.
Okay.
So we started a retail store called Pinball Thermal Store.
Okay.
The whole idea of the store was anyone who's traveling to any colder destination,
Okay.
they get everything under one roof.
Okay.
Any clothing that is required is all under one roof. You do not have to go into go anywhere else.
So कैप से लेके जो कुछ है,
Everything, sir.
everything.
Yes, sir.
सब कुछ मिलता है, jackets.
Yes, sir.
and
Jackets, sweaters, pullovers, thermals, socks, caps, gloves, travel accessories, luggage, everything, sir.
All right. तो ये business 2015 में शुरू किया,
Yes, sir.
correct? And उसके बाद business went on increasing. Finally, मैंने कुछ पढ़ रहा था, आपका business एकदम flourish हो गया, तो you became the go-to person for camera bags,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Then travel accessories,
Yes, sir.
all that,
Jackets and also.
jackets, all that.
Yes, sir.
And then come to 2020,
Yes, sir.
COVID आ गया.
Yes, sir.
तो फिर क्या हुआ?
Sir, I'll take you through the journey of how I have built this infrastructure. So, my wife and I, we saw a lot of opportunity in the market, in the Indian market, and we said the whole pinball thermal store idea came when we were traveling to a cold place.
Okay.
After we booked the tickets, both of us were wondering कि हमें ले जाना क्या है? What's the weather there?
तो कहाँ गया? तो कहाँ जाए?
Sir, Leh, sir.
ले.
Yes, sir.
तो आपका ये प्रोडक्ट्स पूरा ऐसा जगह के लिए है जिधर टेम्परेचर्स एकदम
सब जीरो सर.
अच्छा, सब जीरो लेवल पे.
Yes, sir.
या तो फिर आपको लगा है कि ना अभी वॉट एवर इज अवेलेबल आर प्रॉब्ली वेरी एक्सपेंसिव.
Yes, sir.
So what factored in to get into this particular niche area?
Sir, I studied the market. The number of people traveling to colder places from Bangalore is just too large.
Okay.
So there are pilgrimages for Amarnath Yatra and other yatras that go at a particular season. During the summer vacations, people travel abroad to other colder places in India and outside. Then there are students traveling throughout the year for their higher education. Then there are trekkers who go for
Okay.
many summits.
Right.
And throughout the year, sir, there are these the IT crowd which travels for work. They are mostly the hardware guys,
All right.
and a lot of the software people also who work on field.
Okay.
So the company reimburses their clothing. So this was the main audience that we wanted to target.
Okay. तो सुना है कि आपका कंपनी में देर आर पीपल फ्रॉम अक्रॉस इंडिया वर्किंग.
Yes, sir.
अभी थोड़ा दिक्कत आ गई बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड.
Yes, sir.
तो आपका बहुत स्टॉक्स पाइल्ड अप है.
Yes, sir.
तो उसके बारे में बताइए. शायद पीपल देयर बी लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु प्रोबब्ली वांटिंग टू हेल्प यू
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज यू आर आल्सो ऑन अ मिशन टू हेल्प अदर्स.
Yes,
तो
sir.
अभी व्हाट इज द स्टेटस, व्हाट इज द इशू यू आर फेसिंग?
Sir, we built a team from initially 2 staff to 62 today.
ओके.
And all these people have come from all over the country. There are about 50% of them who are from Bangalore and Karnataka, and the 50% who have come from other states.
Okay.
We provide them accommodation, we provide them with food, and they live as a family. If you ask any of my staff, they behave as if they own the company, sir, because that is the kind of responsibility that they bring in. So which adds a lot of responsibility and a stress on me at this current situation, because they all look up to me for their security.
Okay.
People during this testing times of COVID-19 are losing their jobs, especially the lower strata of the society who are in the most basic jobs. They are losing their jobs and they don't have any savings, and they can't rely on their farms and their villages. So it is a very bad time right now for the whole world, and this adds on to my responsibility to take care of my boys.
All right.
So it's very easy for me to just shut down like other people in industry are doing, and relax at home and just wait for the storm to pass. But I do not want to let them down.
You don't want to let them down. So let's go and see Aditya's dream. His dream, I would say, it's a business, but his dream factory where he is making these accessories. So we have told, because of the travel restrictions, we have told Aditya himself to become a cameraman, and here is what he has got for us.
There's the ground floor, there's the packing and dispatch section over the blue mat. Over here is the finishing section. All the items come from the top floor. For finishing, it is packed here and dispatched. This is the admin block. This is the first floor. This is the cutting section. This is the R&D section. This is where all the R&D happens. Those are all the samples. This is where the cutting happens. This is the store where we stock all our raw material. Let's go to the second floor. This is the second floor. This is the factory floor. This is where all the magic happens. This is the stock on the third floor.
Very, very nicely done. 3-4 floors of mission. So I'm sure COVID has really struck the sun. That's what you're saying.
Yes, sir. So primarily we are manufacturers of jackets and bags. So we make every kind of jacket, and especially for people who are traveling. Right now, because of the travel restrictions, there's absolutely little to no sale of jackets. Bags, we manufacture school bags, laptop bags, camera bags, duffel bags, travel bags. So there are no schools, there are no offices, and people are not traveling. And because there are no community events, so there are no camera bags also selling, because people are not buying cameras. last year we did a very massive sale, and 2020 was the year where we had to establish ourselves and say that we have arrived. So preemptively we started manufacturing in a very heavy quantity in the first calendar year of this year, first quarter of the calendar year, and suddenly Corona struck.
Okay.
So we are left with a huge inventory of finished goods and raw material, and a massive debt because of all the production.
Okay.
And no sales. So it is at this point of time that we started manufacturing masks, because that I realized that's the only thing that is selling right now. So we did a lot of R&D, and we developed masks and filters with very high BFE efficiency of 99.2%.
Okay.
So our masks, anyone who's worn our masks has always come back and given us a very positive feedback. A few of them say probably this is the best mask in the country, and we would like to believe them.
All right. So what are the things that you would want the world to know that they can buy from you? Apart from the mask,
Yes.
we'll come to mask, but what are other things people can order? How can they order?
So we have a store in Banshankari. As of now, that is the only sales channel that we are operating with.
That's in Bangalore, Banshankari, Bangalore.
Banshankari, Bangalore.
But अगर बाहर का किसी को कुछ चाहिए तो?
Yes, sir. We have a website called militarymarvels.com.
Okay, militarymarvels.com.
Yes, sir.
So militarymarvels.com. We will show that so people can visit
Yes, sir.
that site and order, and you will courier it.
Yes, sir. This site has also got to do with a lot of military gear and collectibles. Simultaneously, I shall be eventually in this month's time, I will be uploading a lot of our other products as well.
Okay.
Which we have in ready stock. For example, I would love it if all the cameramen and the photographers in the country come together and place an order on our website. So it gives us a lot of breathing space and oxygen to survive, so to speak.
Okay, so interesting. I'm sure a lot of people who are listening, they will do their bit. Masks. So you have. Can you explain? And very interestingly, Aditya has named his masks as Alpha,
Bravo,
Charlie,
Delta, and
Echo. So A, B, C, D, E. So these are the different masks which are there. He has bought the samples. So can you just explain? Yeah.
Yes, sir. So this is mask Alpha. It's got the Air Force insignia here because it has been supplied to the Air Force. So all the masks are 3 layered. This particular mask has 2 layers of cotton in the front and back, and a 5-layer composite filter with SSMOS fabric in the center. This is mask Bravo. So the Bravo has the same composition as Alpha. It's got headbands and the filter in the center with a different shape. This is mask Echo. So the Echo fits on the face completely. It's got an air mesh for coarser and bigger particles to stop the bigger particles. The inside layer is a polycotton, very breathable fabric with a filter in the center. All the masks are washable up to 30 washes, and they all come with headbands so that you don't have to wear them in your ears, which causes a lot of irritability with continuous wear and tear.
All right. So and I must tell you to all the viewers that we at Inspired Indian Foundation, we have just to support Aditya, we have bought lots of masks from him, and we have bought different kinds of masks, and we will be, of course, actually distributing it free to the people in and around Bangalore. And if any of you want to get these masks, maybe we could also send it by post, 1 or 2 masks, no issues. Yes, Aditya. So very, very interesting mask, the way you have named it, the kind of finish it has got, it is truly inspiring to see the kind of effort you have put in, the detailing, and you are truly a COVID warrior. I'm sure this rough phase will pass.
Yes,
you are a fighter pilot.
Yes.
I shouldn't be telling you this. And finally, before we end this conversation, I want to ask you, I'm sure you will be missing Air Force, isn't it?
Oh, very badly, so all the time.
All the time.
Yes, sir.
All the time. This is one question I keep asking everyone whom I interview, if they're retired from Air Force or Army or Navy. So because that is the kind of connect you have with the Fauj.
Yes, sir.
And thank you so much, Aditya, for coming to this place, Rameshwaram. I hope you liked, this is our mission abode. This is where we have been silently spearheading the missions, and superheroes like you definitely add a lot of value to our silent missions. Thank you so much. I'm sure whoever is watching this program will be touched by Aditya's story. I'm sure help will come your way. Even otherwise, we'll be there to back your missions ahead, Aditya.
So it's been a pleasure, sir, and I'm very inspired by the foundation that you created and the work that you're doing, and how silently and you're spearheading this mission and the vision of Dr. Kalam. I'm very inspired, sir, and I would like to be connected to the foundation here on, sir.
Absolutely. The moment you come to Rameshwaram, you're automatically connected. So that was an inspiring story of Flight Lieutenant Aditya, his missions and his vision to support the nation during this COVID crisis. I hope all of you enjoyed this special edition of Tarmac Talking. Oh yeah, and we need to wear this. And here I am getting this mask, new mask. Yes. Oh boy, it's very comfortable. It's really comfortable, Aditya.
Thank you,
This
sir.
has become a life-saving device for all of us, isn't it?
Yes, sir. And I would request all the viewers to maintain social distancing, always wear a mask, and move out only when it's necessary.
Yes, so move out only when it's necessary, maintain social distancing, and always wear a mask. That's a message we keep hearing all the time. That's a message from this superhero as well. So folks, we will be back with yet another story, yet another inspiring story from the hangars of Inspired Indian Foundation through Tarmac Talking. Do remember to send your feedback to me. They're all very important to all of us. Until then, it's goodbye. Jai Hind.